Hello everyone, and today is Wednesday, February 29th, year 2012, Leap Day 2012. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give you a little bit of an outline of how the storm that's moving into Connecticut, starting to move into Connecticut right now, is going to play out through the rest of the day today and into tomorrow morning. We will still have the 38th Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News a little bit later this afternoon as scheduled, and we'll talk a little bit more about Leap Day, Leap Day on the 30th Weather News this afternoon. But first, let's go over, first I should say that many schools in Connecticut have gone through with early dismissals today, including my home school district, which is why I'm able to come to right now at 11:45 in the morning, as a precaution so that everyone can kind of get home in time before the snow and the mess starts to fall. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the forecast for today. Snow developing around noontime. Snow could mix with sleet and rain by late afternoon or early evening. Total snow accumulation 1 to 2 inches along the shore, along the I-95 corridor along the shoreline. 2 to 6 inches over interior portions of the state. High of 37 inland today and 40 at the shore. So a little bit more mixing happening along the shoreline because it's going to be 40 near the shore, and a little more accumulation inland Connecticut because temperature will be a few degrees colder, 37 degrees. So there's that. Okay, then tonight, snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Sleet and freezing rain could be a problem tonight, especially over northern Connecticut. Mostly rain along the shoreline, a low of 28 degrees this evening. And then tomorrow, Thursday, March 1st, periods of snow, sleet, and rain, a chance for freezing rain in northern Connecticut early in the evening. Early in the morning, I should say. The storm ends by late afternoon, high 38 inland, 40 at the shore. And we'll give you the rest of your 7-day forecast on the 38th Weather News this afternoon, but that kind of gives you an outline of what's going on with the storm right now. Looking at the radar picture right now, we do see very light bands of snow over Connecticut right now, and a little bit of rain, freezing rain mixing in on the immediate shoreline right now. However, very little of this is probably reaching the ground right now. I know there's a few towns that are starting to see some flurries, but right outside the Matt's Weather studio here, we haven't seen any flurries yet, so not much is reaching the ground yet, but that will start to change very soon. Okay, and now let's go over the weather alerts that are in effect for this storm. A winter weather advisory is in effect for all 8 counties of Connecticut except for the immediate shoreline. So basically northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, northern Middlesex, and northern New London counties are under that winter weather advisory, and then the southern halves of those 4 southern states don't have any advisory in effect. So again, winter weather advisory in effect for all 8 counties of Connecticut except for the immediate shoreline. So while this isn't really going to be a huge storm, it's still, the timing is just really not perfect as it gets in the way of this evening's evening commute, and it may interfere with a little bit of tomorrow morning, Thursday morning's commute into school or work. As far as the forecasted snowfall totals, in northwest Connecticut, Litchfield County, Litchfield Hills, 4 to 6 inches is possible. Northeast Connecticut, more like 2 to 5 inches. Kind of like midwestern part of Connecticut, 2 to 5 inches. And then from Bridgeport all the way to New London, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches with sleet, slush, and freezing rain mixing in with that. So a little bit of a messy evening commute this evening and a little bit of a messy morning commute tomorrow morning. Alright, I guess that'll be it for now. And what I'll do is I'll bring you one more update a little bit later in the afternoon as the snow starts to fall outside the Matt's Weather studio here in Fairfield County, Connecticut. And then a little while after that, I'll do the 38th Weather News. And then we'll do a few more video updates after that later this evening, and we may do a video update tomorrow morning too, so stay tuned for that. Alright, well, we thank you for listening, and we'll see you later.